Hello guys, this is Rajbhat. So welcome to my tech blog, and today I'm gonna tell you how do we create the snapshot of a VM. So I'm on my AWS account, and you can see there is one VM with the name test VM1, and it's in running state. So here in AWS, we create the snapshot for the volume which is attached with the VM, not actually on VM. So the snapshot created gets created for the attached drive or the OS drive that you have. So this is the VM, this is the drive which is attached to it. So we will click on this drive and it is open. So click on action, create snapshot. Just give it a name, let's say snapshot on date 520223, that is month, date, and year, and click create snapshot. So the snapshot is created. Let's check the status of this snapshot. Here it is created here. So currently in pending state. So it will take few seconds. Okay, now it's completed. So let's click on it, action. So we can create a volume from this snapshot if we have to restore the existing machine, or we can create an image from this snapshot and then create an EC2 instance using that snapshot. And we have another option, copy snapshot and then delete snapshot. So we are done here, and hope my video is helpful. And if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and comment. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in next video. Bye.